Hi viewers, today we have to learn HCF of any two expressions. Any two expressions by using Vedic mathematics. In that one sutra, Lopana Stapana Sutra. Lopana Stapana Sutra. Suppose if you take any one example, we are taking one example now. You see, find HCF of x square plus 7x plus 6 and x square minus 5x minus 6. Both are quadratic expressions, and now we have to find HCF of these two quadratic expressions. First, we have to learn about HCF. What is HCF? HCF full form is highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay. So, how we can find in current method? By using current method, we can find first we have to express this quadratic expression into factor of that means product of two factors like this. That means we have to factorize these two equations, two expressions. First we have to factorize two expressions. The first one you see x square plus 7x plus 6 like this. In middle term 7x, we have to split 7x into x plus 6x. Of course, it is equal to 7x, and also x into 6x is equal to first term and last term. That means x square into 6 we can get. Like that we have to split into two terms. The 7x we split into two terms, and then take common x from these two, and take common 6 from these two terms, and then we can get x plus 1 into x plus 6. Okay, this is answer. And next the second expression is x square minus 5x minus 6, and then we can get like this factors, and if we observe these two factors and these two factors, this is common. X plus 1 is common factor for both given expressions. That's why we can write here HCF is x plus 1. This is HCF of these two expressions. Okay, but this HCF of these two expressions we can find very easily and quickly by using this Lapana Stapana Sutra. Before going to learn about this sutra, once I will ask if you still now not subscribed my channel, just now you subscribe my channel and click on the bell symbol to get updates. Okay, thank you. And now we learn about this Lopana Stapana Sutra. What is the meaning of Lopana Stapana Sutra? The meaning is subtraction and this one addition. Subtraction and addition. That means what? We have to subtract these two. That means any one expression from another one, and then we have to add these two expressions. Both we have to do. First we have to subtract x square plus 7x plus 6 and subtraction of x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, we are subtracting the second expression from first expression. Okay, in subtraction symbols will change like this. Okay, x square minus x square get cancelled, that is 0, need not to write any term. And 7x plus 5x, it is 12x. 6 plus 6 plus 12. Okay, if we take common 12 from this expression, then we can get x plus 1. Okay, and now addition. x square plus 7x plus 6 and x square minus 5x minus 6. Now addition. Okay, x square plus x square 2x square 7x minus 5x plus 2x 6 minus 6 0 need not to write. Okay, and from this take common 2. Here x square take common 2x. Here 2x, here 2x are factors. So 2x you take common and here x remaining and plus here 1. Okay. Now we got the answer once you see here and here. In subtraction, in addition, the same factor here. The same factor kept. That's why here we can write directly HCF is x plus 1. That's it. This is the answer. If you are not getting any common factor in these two, then we can say 1 is HCF. That's it. Okay. And then we let us take one more example. 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Okay, you observe this one. This is second example. Now find HCF of x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 and x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. These two expressions are cubic expressions. Cubic expressions. And by using this Stapana Sutra, of course, if we do in current method, it takes much time, okay, than quadratic expressions. But by using Stapana Sutra, it is very easy. First, we are subtracting 3x square minus 4x plus 12 and x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Okay, we are subtracting. In subtraction, symbols will change and x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus x square minus 3x square plus 7x square is 4x square and both are minus here. Minus 20x plus 12 and plus 12 also plus 24. Okay, from this we can take common 4. Here x square minus 5x and here plus 6. 4 6 are 24. Okay, this is one. Next addition, x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 and next second expression is x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Okay, this is addition now. X cube plus x cube 2x cube and next minus both are minus, so minus 10x square and 16x minus 4x plus 12x 12 minus 12 0 need not to write these 2. Okay, here 2x here 2x here 2x are factors, then we can take common 2x. Okay, so here remaining x square and here minus 5x and here plus 6. Okay, once you observe here x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6 are common factors. Okay, so we can write HCF is equal to, therefore HCF is x square minus 5x plus 6. That's it. This is the answer. Okay, and one more example. We take one more example. x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2 and x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, this is the problem. Find HCF of two expressions are given. These two expressions are biquadratic expressions. Biquadratic expressions. Okay, by using this Stapana Sutra, first x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2 and minus, that means subtracting x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, we are subtracting now. In subtractions, symbols will change. Okay, x to x cube, x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 get cancelled, 0. X cube plus 3x cube, 4x cube, and both are minus here, minus 5x square minus x square minus 6x square, and here both are minus 6x, both are plus only, plus 4. Okay, can take common 2 here, 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x square minus 3x and plus 2. This one came, and now addition, x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2. X to the power of 4 minus 3x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 2. And now we are adding these two expressions. Okay, x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4, 2x to the power of 4. And this is addition of this one, minus 2x to the power of 3 and minus 4x square. This is 0 and this one also 0. Okay, so here 2x square, 2x square, 2x square get common. We can take common 2x square. Here x to the power of 2 minus here x and minus here 2. X square minus x minus 2. But here you see. Okay, so here you take this one. Okay, you take this one and multiply with 2x, multiply with 2x and then subtracting from this one. This is addition. That means this is another some more method now. So 2x to the power of 3. That means we are multiplying with 2x. This equation. That means this expression only. Okay, 2x into x square. 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x into x, 2x square. Next to 2x into minus 2 minus 4x. Okay, now we are subtracting. In subtraction, symbols will change. Okay, constant not there, so here we can keep plus 0 or minus 0, no problem. These are cancel, and this one minus 3x square here plus 2x square, so minus x square, and this one minus 3x square plus 4x plus x, and here plus 2. Okay, take common minus 1 from here, so here x square minus x minus 2 we can get. Now you observe this one and this one are common, x square minus x minus 2 and x square minus x minus 2. That's why the HCF is therefore HCF is x square minus x minus 2. Okay, this is the method of Lopana Sthabana Sutra. Okay, in current method, if you want to do HCF, if you want to find in current method HCF of these two expressions, to find the fact, that means factorization of one expression only takes 10 minutes. For this 10 minutes, totally we can get 20 minutes. But in 2 minutes only we can find the HCF of these two expressions. It is very simple method. Okay, this is addition one. You observe this one. Okay, this is the Lopana Sthabana Sutra. Okay, thank you. In the next video, we can learn one more method. Thank you.